Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a live video. Today is April 22nd, and I just want to tell people about this wonderful system that I've been using and I've been able to generate a full-time income with. Please stay to the end because I have some information to give to you, and of course, I have proof income to show you that the system works. If you are not involved in our Freedom Takers group, please get involved because we have over 3,000 people that are in this group, and it's highly active, and there's a lot of people that are earning a full-time income utilizing this program. So this is a home-based business online opportunity, and I decided to get into online earning online back in 2015, and I've been doing that full-time since the end of 2016, being able to generate thousands of dollars online by pretty much duplicating what the gurus do, okay? And that's what it's all about. It's about duplication, having a program that is easy to follow, easy to learn, easy to understand, and easy to show others how to use. So with that said, I'm gonna go into my Gmail first, where I can show you the commissions that I've been able to earn on a consistent basis utilizing the system. Just going back to April 18th, I've been able to generate commissions almost every day. Even before that, I started this program. It's called the Power Lead System back in September of 2017. I started running cold traffic to my link, and I've been able to earn consistently utilizing the system. So on April 18th, I brought in 2 PLS customers. That's a $40 commission, a $6 lead lightning commission, and I've been able to bring in diamond commissions, which is $100 a piece. So on the 18th, I earned $200, and then on the 19th, I earned another $200. So that's just $400 in 2 days. Now, there's some people that don't even earn $400 in a week, okay? But as you can see with the system, just using cold traffic, you're able to bring in consistent commissions, and you can pretty much keep this consistent by using a done-for-you system. I had 92 leads that came in on the 20th, and I show everyone on my team how to get leads utilizing free and paid traffic. Okay, I did start out with free traffic in the beginning, and then of course, as I made more money, I started to purchase free traffic because free traffic is just faster. You're able to earn commissions faster. So here I have 1 diamond member, that's $100 on the 20th. 24 gold members, that's like $480 in residual income, okay? And we show people how to get these gold members, how to turn these gold members into diamond and platinum members. Of course, at the platinum level, that's the highest commission, earning you $400 per person. You're paying a one-time fee of $497 at the highest level. At the diamond level, you pay a one-time fee of $147, and it allows you to earn unlimited $100 commissions. So here I have 2 gold members as of yesterday, and as of today, I have 1 gold member that came in so far, and I have 7 opt-ins. So I just wanted to give that information and show you guys how the system works and what you're able to do with the system. Last week, we do get paid weekly with the Power Lead system every single Wednesday. And last week, I brought in a total of $1,706 in commissions. The week before that, I brought in $2,904 in commissions. And like I said, this has been consistent utilizing the system and its program by just allowing people to come in and run cold traffic to this done-for-you system, okay? At the highest level, I brought in $2,000 in commissions. I tell people if you can afford it to get in at the highest level, because at the highest level, it's going to allow you to bring in higher commissions and not work as hard. You know, even at the diamond level, paying a $147, you get unlimited commissions. I was able to bring in $400. And of course, this gold commission level is residual every single month. This fluctuates depending on how many gold members come into the program and how many people stay in the program. What we do is we bring people back to our Freedom Takers group, because that's where all the proof is for how the people are doing within our group. Okay, how to get started quickly. Okay, we show people how to drive traffic and how to get free traffic and how to be able to do this on a weekly basis, okay? We have people that put up proof every single day. We have John here, $286 yesterday while spending time with his family, okay? This is from just pretty much driving traffic to your funnel. If you don't want to set up the funnel, we can do that for you for a one-time fee of $50, and your funnel will be all set to go. And we are just wanting to inspire others and show people that there is a better way than pretty much going out and working a 9-to-5 job every single day, where you're not able to bring in consistent, be able to actually leverage an opportunity and make more money. You know, at your job, you just make what they give you, and you have to do tons of overtime to make more money. And sometimes that still doesn't allow you to live the life that you want to live comfortable. So with this system, you know, you can really leverage the opportunity. Going back to my back office, when I first started, I was bringing in like $32, $112 in September when I first started. But once I started driving traffic, the commissions jumped drastically, and they've been pretty consistent ever since, okay? This week here, I didn't run any traffic because I was out of the country for 2 weeks, and I really had no internet access. I still made $781 and $1,500, and this is with no traffic. So this goes to show you how powerful the system is and what you can do, even if you just build up what you have, you build up your traffic, you build up your leads, and your opt-ins, and just allow the system to do the work for you. This is connected to an autoresponder, a sales page, and a capture page all in one. You don't have to go outside of the Power Lead system for anything. Everything that you need is here within a Power Lead system. The main thing is people just need to know how to use the Power Lead system. So we're having a hangout tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern time. If you would like to get involved, freedomtakers.net is where you go to register for our 8 p.m. Eastern time hangout, and you'll see where there'll be a ton of people on this call looking for more information, and also participating and giving their opinion on how they feel about the Power Lead system and how it has helped them. So if you want to get involved or you want more information, get on that hangout tonight. Again, it's 8 p.m. Eastern time. Ask to join the Freedom Takers group and also my personal Facebook page. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. My information will be in the description below. And, you know, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get future results on how I'm doing with the system and how it's changing so many lives. So we look forward to seeing you in our group. Have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. And hopefully I can get to see you on tonight's hangout. Thanks so much, and speak to you soon.